Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Bring your right hand up to your left shoulder and your left hand down to your right hip, then slide your hands to the opposite side. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 2 of part 4. Push your right hand over to the right as you step over to the left with your left foot. Bring your right foot over to meet it and step in place on your left foot. Now step out to the right with your right foot and push out to the left with your left hand as you slide your left foot over to meet your right foot. Look to the left and, keeping your elbow bent, bring your left arm up and twirl your hand a couple of times before swinging your left arm up and back. While still looking to the left, extend your right arm up and back a bit, then bend both elbows, bringing your hands near your shoulders. Step to the right with your right foot and push out to the left with both hands as you slide your left foot over to meet your right foot. Tap your head with your left hand twice, then point to your head with the index finger of your left hand and swing your left arm up and out, then down as you look to the left. Step over to the left on your left foot as you bring your left arm up and your right arm down, then spin them in a counterclockwise circle. End with your right foot near your left foot and your right arm on top of your left arm. Bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then bring them back together. Extend your arms straight out to either side, then bring your left arm up further. Swing your left arm down behind your back. Bring both hands up to either side of your head, then turn your head in a clockwise circle. Quickly slide your left hand from your right shoulder to your left shoulder, then lower your hand as you roll your body. Push your left hand over to the left as you step over to the right with your right foot, bring your left foot over to meet it, and step in place on your right foot. Now step out to the left with your left foot and push out to the right with your right hand as you slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Take 4 steps in a clockwise circle, starting on your right foot. Bring your right hand up near the left side of your face, then bring it back down to your side as you bring your left hand up to your head with your elbow pointing to the left. Turn your upper body to the right as you bend your knees, then swing your left arm in a clockwise circle until your left hand is near your left shoulder. Step over to the right on your right foot, then move your left hand out and down as you look to the left and bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step over to the left on your left foot as you bring your left arm up and your right arm down, then spin them in a counterclockwise circle. End with your right foot near your left foot and your right arm on top of your left arm. Bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then extend your left arm straight out toward the camera with your index finger extended and put your right hand under your left elbow. As you turn to the left, bring your left arm in and under your right arm so that your right hand is on the inside of your left elbow. With your left leg extended out in front of you, bend your right knee and your left elbow, bringing your hand up as you lean back. For the next 4 counts, slowly stand up straight and drop your arms. Then for the next 4 counts, take a few steps back and forth as you turn back toward the camera. Bring your left arm up and to the left and your right arm down and to the right with your palms facing out. Then bend your elbows twice to bring your hands in as you curl your fingers in and bend your right knee twice. Switch the positions of your arms, then do these movements in the opposite direction. Do the movements again in the opposite direction, then once again in the opposite direction. Take a couple of slow motion steps toward the camera. Keeping your arms stiff, swing your left hand in and down, then do the same with your right hand. Bring your left hand out to the side with your palm facing down. Bend your wrist so that your fingers are pointing down, then bring your left elbow up, followed by your left shoulder. Let your left arm drop as you bring your right shoulder up, then bring your right elbow up, then your right hand with your fingers pointing down, then bend your wrist so that your palm is facing down, and bend your right knee. Reverse the moves for your right arm and end with both hands in front of you, palms facing in. Turn your feet so that your heels are pointing out, then quickly turn them back in. Roll your body, starting at your knees, then spin your right hand up near your chest, making half of a heart. Do the same with your left hand and make a complete heart. Move your hands toward the camera as you tilt your head to the right, then bring your hands back in and tilt your head back up. Bring your right hand with your index finger extended over near the right side of your head and spin it a couple of times, then move both hands over to the left. Step over to the right on your right foot, then pull your arms to the right as you slide your left foot over to meet your right foot. Swing your left hand down and to the right, then up and to the left, then down behind your back. Repeat sections 3 and 4 of part 5. Repeat sections 1 and 2 of part 5. Repeat part 1, but instead of bringing your arms down slowly, bring your left hand up and your right hand down, then switch their positions, then switch them again. Repeat part 1 again, but after you bring your arms down, step over to the left with your left foot as you punch up with your left fist, then bring your left arm down to your side as you look down and to the left.